Hi. Vegan Bankery is on the wire and we'll continue to talk about the blockchain. But blockchain not as a part of Bitcoin and cryptos, but as a separate technology which is reshaping the world. Originally, the Bitcoin was created to reduce the bank's fee for payment, to make the payment more affordable and cheap. So thanks to Bitcoin and cryptos, the blockchain technology came into the world. The blockchain is essentially the public ledger, which is capable to record and verify a numerous number of the digital transactions, digital recordings, independent of the place. As a decentralized, it makes a lot of transactions transparent. It can fight with the fraud and is decentralized, so it doesn't require any middleman, any supervisor, and the fact that this is almost endless. And we definitely see that the banking and finance industry is taking all this technology to reduce the cost, to make the services faster, to take out middlemen, and also it's creating new possibilities for the products. It's changing not only the banking industry, it's changing as well the insurance. It allows to create new insurance programs because of the potential ability to verify numerous records. It's also changing the stock trading, it's changing the investment decision-making process for hedge funds, etc., etc., etc. But it's changing not only the finance industry, it's changing all other industries. Car sharing, whenever it's needed, the verification and the public recording and general recording, it's changing the law enforcement, it's changing the even voting technology, government services, advertisement, internet, you name what. Definitely it's retail, because the blockchain technology allows to track all suppliers or all goods, suppliers of the goods till the end supplier, and also maybe replacing the trading spaces. Why I'm talking about it, what it has to do with finance then, and actually it's changing the industry and economy landscapes. It's maybe creating new industries. It's maybe killing old classical industries or companies and services. And look at the Bloomberg Billionaire Index. Top 10 names, and on the top is the founder Jeff Bezos, founder of Amazon, Jeff Bezos, with his fortune over $100 billion. So top 10 names on this list are all new money. They all created the fortune during their life, and a number of them created because of the internet during the last 20 years. Because the industry changed. So maybe the blockchain is going to be number one who is going to change the industries and also give opportunity to invest. If someone is invested in Amazon 20 years ago in early investment, now this investment can bring 12 million times income, 12 million times earnings, and this name may be on the billionaire list. But we know that Amazon is using and investing in the blockchain for their stocks, for all other records. They're not disclosing everything, smart guys, but they also invest in Alex and they're going to earn money of it, artificial intelligence. Maybe this one is going to change the world. We'll see. Next time we'll talk about another capital instrument, stocks or shares. See you soon. Enjoy summer.